Here some question are given. Question is that, see here, k into k plus k is equal to 30. What is the value of k? How to find the value of k? Let's see how to find the value of k. First of all, solution. First of all, here k into k means k square into k plus k is equal to 30. After that, again k square multiply with k means k cube plus k is equal to 30. See here, 30 is in this side positive, comes this side negative. So k cube plus k minus 30 is equal to 0. After that, we do that 30 will be separated this step, they will be making cube form. See here, k cube like this. After that, k cube plus k, 30 will be written as minus 27 minus 3 is equal to 0. After that, see here, k cube minus 27 plus k minus 3 is equal to 0. See here, k cube minus 27 will be written as 3 cube bracket open close plus bracket open k minus 3 is equal to 0. See here, k cube minus 3q. This is in the form of aq minus bq is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula, aq minus bq formula. So use this formula in this place. After that, see here, k cube, k means a, 3 means b. In place of a, put the value of k. In place of b, put the value of 3. See here, k, a means k, b means 3. After that, into k square plus 3k plus a. After that, plus this bracket open, k minus 3 is equal to 0. In next step, k minus 3, k minus 3, k minus 3. Take common k minus 3. After that, k square plus 3k plus 9. This is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. There are two solutions. First of all, k minus 3 is equal to 0, one solution. Second solution, k square plus 3k plus 9 plus 1, 10 is equal to 0. Two solution. Therefore, k is equal to 3. First solution came. K is equal to 3. Solve the second solution. Here, this is in the coordination form. Coordination formula is, first of all, see, a is equal to a, k square means 1 value, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 10. This is the value of coordination form. See here in the k square plus 3k plus 10. So a means k square value 1, b means 3k means 3, c means 10. Coordination formula is that k is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Put the value in place of b, a, c. Therefore k is equal to b value means 3 minus 3 plus minus root under b square means 3 square minus 4, a value 1, c value 10 divided by 2 into a value 1. After next step, see here, k is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square 9 minus 4 into 10 40 divided by 2. Therefore minus 3 plus minus root under 9 minus 40 means value is minus 31 divided by 2. 31 divided by 2. Therefore we know that if root under minus 1, that will be written as eta. So use this value, k is equal to minus 3 plus minus root under minus 31 eta. If this minus will be removed, plus 31 eta divided by 2. Therefore the final value of k is minus 3 plus minus root 31 eta divided by 2. Here k value 3, k1 is equal to 3, k2 is equal to minus 3 plus root 31 eta divided by 2, k3 value minus 3 minus root under 31 eta divided by 2. This is my final answer. This is the value of k. Once you check how to make this question, how to solve this question. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Here some question are given. Question is that, see here, k into k plus k is equal to 30. What is the value of k? How to find the value of k? Let's see how to find the value of k. First of all, solution. First of all, here k into k means k square into k plus k is equal to 30. After that, again k square multiply with k means k cube plus k is equal to 30. See here, 30 is in this side positive, comes this side negative. So k cube plus k minus 30